As you can see leaves on the ground, on the grass. Beautiful. Anyway, October 30th, time is, what time is it now? Yeah, 10:38 in the morning, 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Time to go to work. Yeah, let's do it. I am going to drive through Eisenhower Park. I think it will have a beautiful view. And then we go to work. I think summer is bye-bye now. Summer is gone. Let's welcome the winter. All right, let's turn right here. Eisenhower Park. So the right side is the park. It has different fields, different activities. And on the left side is a golf course. This summer, at least, I enjoyed the park a lot. I've been walking in the park, so that was good. The thing I like about this park, and not only this park, all the parks I have been on Long Island and other parks, beautiful, well kept. Washroom facilities are well kept, clean, meadows well taken care of. I really enjoy it. Such a blessing. So coming out, this is Hampstead Turnpike, so I am going to turn right. I always keep some snacks, mostly nuts in my car, so especially when I'm coming back home from work, so I can just, have something. So a couple of days ago, I went to Trader Joe's and bought these pine nuts. Very nice. I really like them. What's the weight? 8 ounce, almost $11. Still better than chips and candy and Coke and Pepsi. This is very good. And I always keep a bottle of water with me. To stay healthy, we need to eat healthy, stay active. Come to think of it, instead of getting on the highway, why don't I just go local today? Yeah, let's see that. So now we are in Uniondale. On the right is NASA Coliseum, right there. I don't think you can see it, but it's right there. This is Hofstra University, big campus, both sides of the turnpike. I think this town now is called Hampstead. I think from Hampstead we will get into West Hampstead. Yeah, so this is West Hampstead. Out of nowhere, I don't know why, sometimes we develop certain habits Like my habit is when I get in the office, the first thing I do is make a cup of coffee, even though I already have a cup of coffee in the morning. After lunch, I take this green tea, matcha green tea. Wow, really amazing. Very rich in taste, matcha green tea. It is a bit expensive as compared to regular green tea. I really enjoy it, yeah. Let's see if we are still in West Hampstead or no, Franklin Square. So now we are in Franklin Square. I think the next town will be Almont. A lot of diners on Long Island. I never realized that, or I never knew until I moved to Long Island in 2018. But I do see a trend that I see many diners closed or being closed. I don't know. They are running out of fashion. I guess Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash. We like to do a lot of things, but I guess we don't make time for the things that we like to do. We just say it, oh, I want to do this, I like to do this, I wish I can do this. Those things that we like to do, we want to do, we wish to do, they are not that important. Otherwise, we would do them, So one of the things that I wanted to do, or I want to do, is like on Long Island. Long Island is beautiful, and it's quite a bit to do. It has a lot of small towns, villages. So, like every weekend, just pick one small town, go there, and see what's there. Like, every town has something special to offer. When it comes to food, maybe a park, maybe a historical place, maybe some sort of attraction. And I think that will be fun. But now the winter is coming. But winter is fun too. Yeah, so I think I should pay some attention to that matter. It takes me almost on average 1 hour each way. And then I go to gym. That takes almost 2.5 hours. And then on the weekend, Saturdays, I like to go for a hike or a walk. So I guess I have to shuffle around. I have to change things a bit. But I think that will be fun to go to different towns every week and just go about it, just see, observe, and share with you. Yes, we are in Almont. I think rather than going through local streets, I am going to get on the highway here, Cross Island Parkway, and then to Grand Central Parkway, so that might be a little quicker. Cross Island Parkway kind of divides Long Island and Queens. Fixing some traffic lights. Okay. We are going left to RFK Bridge side. Back on the same route. So I have made some changes to myself, not to myself personally, like my appearance. So one thing I did, I stopped coloring my hair for the last few months now. I mean, it is what it is. So that's the one thing I have done. I don't think I want to color my hair anymore. What you say about that? The second thing I did, that I switched to this, I think they call it cabbie cap or something. So I think that looks more with my age. I will still use the baseball caps when I go to the gym or hiking or walking, activities like that. But overall, I think this look better. So I bought 3 of those: black, gray, and khaki. We gotta change things up a little bit sometimes. But I think I don't want to go back to coloring my hair. Maybe I should go mustache and goatee. You let me know. What do you think of it? Color, no color. All right. Cabbie hat or baseball cap. Clean shave, goatee, mustache, or just grow beard. This is a good weather for Indian fritters and samosa. There are a lot of Indian restaurants around my office, and I do tend to get fritters and samosas when the weather is like this. So, today is the day. Surprisingly, traffic is moving quite well. Normally, when the weather is like this, it slows down. Yes, I have said it many, many times. I love these bridges right here, too. Wow. I just said wow. Normally, when I watch YouTube videos and it's a lot of wow and this and that, and you see that it's not that much wow. So I hope I did not do too much wow. All right. We are getting off, of course, exit 40. Broadway and Roosevelt Avenue. My favorite traffic light right here. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. They're flying all over. Nice. Welcome to Jackson Heights. Double parking, no common sense. I think I didn't use common sense either. Actually, they do a lot of deliveries at this time, and that's why a lot of double parking. See? Okay. Yep, a lot of double parking. Number 7 train going to Flushing. And I am going to park my car. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, stay active, enjoy life. Bye.